Hello, people. Pitamba. From all indication, you are behaving like your colleague from Anambra State, Charles Soludo. From what we have gathered, it's either you are working for Fulanese or you are impersonating with someone's name. That you are bearing Pitamba does not make you an Igbo man or have Igbos, mostly and Enugu people at heart. Because from what you are doing, from your body language and your modus operandi, everyone can clearly see that you are not doing what you are supposed to do. Do you understand? Let me start like this by saying that your duty, one of your duties are, one, protecting the citizens and everything in the state, the totality of Enugu state. Secondly, safety of lives and properties of the citizens of Enugu. Thirdly, their well-being, that is the well-being of the citizens of Enugu. These three things, you are not doing any of them. Pitamba, I'm talking to you because I can clearly see that you are useless. You are on top. Everything, the whole Enugu is under you. But you are very inactive and unproductive. You can be beautifying the city. Nobody cares about that. You are not ruling only the city. The villages, all the clans, everywhere is under you. Pitamba, I'm talking to you. Listen, last time you were castigating and writing manner of letters for Simon Ekpa to be abducted in Finland. I was reading everything. I was watching how the whole thing was going. Finally, Simon Ekpa is now out of the way because your own assertion, that is what you meant, was Simon Ekpa was responsible for all the people that were being pied in Enugu and all the wrong things, the kidnapping, the abduction of all manner of abduction going on in Enugu. But now Simon Ekpa is out of the way. Or equally, Nnamdi Kanu is also you people's problem. Don't forget in a hurry that Nnamdi Kanu was crying about this, what I'm going to say right now. Fulani herdsmen pied how many people from your state? The state that you are in charge. You forgot that part of your jurisdiction it stretches to the villages and the farmlands. It is very clear you saw it by yourself. It's no more a new thing. You saw it, how all the women came out in numbers protesting that their husbands were being pied by Fulanese. Not Simon Ekpa, Fulanese. What did you do as a governor? Nothing. You are working for the Fulanese. If by my conclusion, you know, Enugu State is like a transit point for the North, the Fulanese, to be precise, to come in with their cows and destroy people's farms and even buy the owners of the farms, rape them, buy their husbands, and do all manner of things. Use stick to even pass through their privates. That is how serious it is. And you said you're a governor of a state. Is it part of your manifesto? Is it? So if you know, if not, you are an idiot or someone who is so useless, foolish at the same time, you should have known that since Enugu is a transit point for those Marudas, those Fulanese who are coming to invade, your concentration should lie on those borders. That is where you should concentrate mostly, because all the Fulanese coming into the eastern states are coming through Enugu State. You did nothing about it because you are working for them. I put it to you that you are working for them. Yes, you are working for them, Pitamba. Because you and your colleagues, the one of Imo State, the one of Anambra State, you claimed that you can handle the security. Because when Nnamdi Kanu was shouting, crying, making all kind of signs that these guys, this is their mission, this is what they are coming to do. Go to Ekiti State now, you see that everybody is crying. Go to Benue is normal. Enugu, you see what is happening. And every other state is happening. This shows you that it's an invasion that they are coming to do. What should a reasonable governor or administrator should do is to guide his state. But because you're a very useless man, you forgot yourself. You are in the city enjoying yourself. City is not the only place you must rule. You are ruling the villages and the farmer and the farms. Aside the money that federal government gives you as an allocation, where else are you getting all the money that have been growing the economy of Enugu State? From the farms. You ignore all those things. You even went as far as doing the worst, burning an ancient market, Nsuka market, that your great-great-great-father and mother were doing business in those places. You went as far as destroying Nsuka market. All the lives that were lost, that were unalived, their blood is upon your head, upon your children's head, upon your generation, and upon your children to come. Yes, I have to put it that way so that you know it's very serious. You cannot destroy Nsuka market that you know is one of the major market that people come from everywhere to buy things, transact business, and even, money exchange hands in exchange of goods. And people make their money, sell their goods from the farm, sell their produce. You destroy it. What is your reason? You want to make it a city, or you want to make it a metropolitan place, or you want to beautify the place. What is your reason for destroying an ancient market? Are you mad? Is something going wrong with your head? Exactly what the one of Imo State did, destroying the market, burning everywhere with his Fulani master, is it masters or whatever they sent him to do. You are doing the same thing. The blood of those ones that we have been paid is already on your head. As I have said, so shall it be. Because I don't know what you guys are doing. When you came out to, make your manifesto, you gave your manifesto to protect your citizens' safety and also their well-being. Till today, what have you done? Nothing. You were there, the Fulani henchmen came in, buy them, chase them away from their farm where they are getting daily bread, chase them away. You did not protect the place. Since you were complaining that Simon Ekpa was the one involved, doing all everything, Simon Ekpa now is out of the way. Then what are you doing? What have you done? I thought before you chased Simon Ekpe, you would have gotten your own Ebubago or your own Agune Chemba. What is the name of your own Mbah? You are Peter Mbah. Which one is your own security outfit and what have they been doing? If they have been active, are you telling me they only function in the cities and the Fulani henchmen are in the farms killing, buying people, your own citizens? If you're a serious man, if you are not a foolish man, not even a live single person should be unalived in your state if really you are working. But I see that you are not working. You are working for Fulanis. Continue. We shall see. After the miles, after the race, we count the miles. That's the only thing I have for you today. Peter Mbah.